Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Hell Let Loose with a controller. First, familiarize yourself with the default button mapping. The left stick controls movement, while the right stick handles camera and aiming. Experiment with your controller sensitivity in the settings menu to find what feels best for you. A lower sensitivity often helps with precise long-range shots, while higher settings allow for quicker turns. Remember to use the communication wheel frequently to interact with your squad. To master combat, practice aiming down sights for accuracy and hip firing for close-quarters engagements. Quickly switching between your primary rifle and secondary pistol can be crucial in tight situations. Always prioritize using cover. It reduces your profile and protects you from incoming fire. Maintain constant situational awareness by regularly checking your map and listening for enemy footsteps. These techniques will significantly improve your combat effectiveness on the battlefield. Different roles benefit from specific controller approaches. As a support, focus on deploying supplies for your team's fortifications and garrisons. Medics should practice quick, precise movements to reach and revive fallen comrades under fire. Engineers can efficiently construct defenses like barbed wire and anti-tank guns by quickly navigating the build menu. Commanders can use their map to direct artillery and air support, making strategic decisions with ease. Each role has unique controller demands. Effective teamwork is paramount in Hell Let Loose. Utilize the in-game voice chat to communicate vital information with your squad and other units. Quickly ping enemy positions, supply drops, or important objectives to keep your team informed. Always listen to and follow your squad leader's orders. Their guidance is crucial for achieving strategic goals. Coordinated efforts, even with a controller, lead to successful pushes and defensive stands, making every player a valuable asset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.